For years, the James Webb Space Telescope has represented humanity's deepest view into the universe. With its enormous segmented mirror, powerful infrared vision, and ability to observe some of the earliest galaxies ever formed, Webb transformed our understanding of cosmic history. It revealed galaxies from a time when the universe was only a few 100 million years old, uncovered hidden stellar nurseries wrapped in dust, and analyzed the atmospheres of distant exoplanets in extraordinary detail. For many, it seemed that humanity had finally built the ultimate machine for exploring the cosmos. But astronomy is about to enter another revolution. NASA is preparing a new observatory that will change the way we explore the universe, not by looking deeper than Webb, but by looking wider than ever before. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is designed to survey the cosmos on an unprecedented scale, mapping billions of galaxies, searching for thousands of hidden planets, and revealing the invisible forces that shape the universe itself. Where Webb acts like a cosmic microscope, Roman will function as a giant cosmic surveyor. Instead of focusing on a small region of the sky with incredible detail, it will capture vast areas in a single observation, allowing scientists to study the universe as one enormous interconnected system, rather than as isolated objects. At first glance, Roman may not seem as impressive as Webb. Its primary mirror measures 2.4 meters across, much smaller than Webb's 6.5-meter mirror. But comparing the two by mirror size completely misses Roman's purpose. Webb was built to explore the deepest corners of space in extraordinary detail. Roman was built to reveal the bigger picture. Its wide-field instrument will provide a field of view roughly 100 times larger than Webb's, while maintaining Hubble-like image quality. In practical terms, a single Roman image can capture an enormous portion of the sky that would require many individual Webb observations to cover. This capability is essential, because some of the greatest mysteries in modern physics cannot be solved by studying only a handful of galaxies. Scientists need to observe hundreds of millions, perhaps even billions, of galaxies spread across cosmic time. Only by examining these vast patterns can they understand how the universe has evolved and what unseen forces govern its expansion. Roman's greatest mission is to investigate the invisible universe. Everything humans have ever directly observed, every star, planet, galaxy, and cloud of gas, accounts for only about 5% of the total contents of the cosmos. The remaining 95% is believed to consist of dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious components that dominate the universe yet remain among the greatest unsolved problems in science. Dark matter cannot be seen because it neither emits nor reflects light. Yet its gravity holds galaxies together and influences the motion of galaxy clusters across the universe. Without it, many galaxies would simply fly apart. Dark energy is even more mysterious. Since the late 1990s, astronomers have known that the expansion of the universe is accelerating, as though an unknown force is pushing space itself outward. No one yet knows what causes this acceleration. Roman will investigate both mysteries using one of the most powerful techniques in cosmology, gravitational lensing. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, massive objects bend the fabric of spacetime. As light from distant galaxies travels toward Earth, it passes through these warped regions of space, causing the galaxies to appear subtly stretched or distorted. Although dark matter is invisible, its gravity leaves behind this unmistakable fingerprint. By measuring these tiny distortions across hundreds of millions of galaxies, Roman will create the most detailed maps yet of dark matter throughout the universe. Combined with observations of distant supernovae and the large-scale distribution of galaxies, these measurements could reveal whether dark energy behaves exactly as current theories predict, or whether entirely new physics is waiting to be discovered. Roman's mission extends much closer to home as well. It will become one of humanity's most powerful planet hunters by using gravitational microlensing. This method detects planets when the gravity of a foreground star briefly magnifies the light from a much more distant background star. Unlike the transit method, which is most sensitive to planets orbiting close to their stars, microlensing can reveal colder worlds located much farther away, including planets similar in distance to Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It can even detect free-floating planets that drift through interstellar space without orbiting any star at all. By monitoring millions of stars toward the center of the Milky Way, Roman is expected to discover thousands of previously unknown exoplanets, giving scientists an unprecedented understanding of how planetary systems form and evolve throughout our galaxy. Yet history suggests that Roman's greatest discoveries may be the ones nobody expects. Throughout the history of astronomy, the biggest breakthroughs have rarely been the ones scientists originally planned to find. When Hubble launched, it revealed entire classes of galaxies and cosmic structures that astronomers had never imagined observing. It transformed our understanding of how galaxies grow, how stars are born, and how the universe has changed over billions of years. Webb has continued that tradition. It has challenged long-standing ideas about the earliest galaxies, revealed surprisingly mature cosmic structures from the young universe, and detected extraordinary details within the atmospheres of distant worlds. Again and again, the universe has proven to be far more complex than our theories predicted. Roman, with its enormous field of view, may continue this remarkable pattern. Instead of focusing on a handful of carefully selected targets, it will continuously survey vast regions of the sky, collecting an enormous amount of information that has never existed before. Hidden within that data could be entirely new cosmic structures, rare gravitational events, unexpected transient phenomena, unknown classes of celestial objects, or patterns that challenge our current understanding of physics. Some of the universe's greatest secrets may not appear as a single spectacular object, but as subtle connections spread across millions of galaxies. Those hidden patterns are exactly what Roman was designed to find. The true importance of Roman is not that it will surpass Webb. It is that together, these two observatories will provide two completely different ways of exploring reality. Roman will identify mysterious galaxies, unusual gravitational phenomena, possible new planetary systems, and regions of space that deserve closer investigation. Webb can then turn its powerful infrared instruments toward those discoveries, examining them with extraordinary precision and revealing the physical processes taking place inside them. One telescope will reveal the patterns. The other will explain the details. Together, they will create one of the most powerful scientific partnerships ever built. Their combined observations could reshape our understanding of how galaxies evolve, how planetary systems form, how dark matter influences cosmic structure, and whether dark energy behaves exactly as modern cosmology predicts. If Roman discovers even small deviations from existing models, physicists may be forced to rethink some of the most fundamental ideas about the nature of the universe. When the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope finally begins its mission, it will not simply collect millions of beautiful images. It will construct one of the largest and most detailed maps of the observable universe ever created. It will measure the hidden scaffolding of dark matter, trace the history of cosmic expansion, search for thousands of previously unknown worlds, and investigate some of physics' greatest unanswered questions. Every observation will become another piece of an enormous cosmic puzzle that humanity has been trying to solve for generations. The universe has always been shaped by invisible structures and unknown forces. For thousands of years, those hidden realities remained completely beyond human reach. Now, for the first time, we are building instruments capable of revealing them. Roman's mission is to bring those invisible parts of the cosmos into view, and perhaps reveal that the greatest discoveries are not waiting in some distant corner of space, but hidden within the vast cosmic patterns that have surrounded us since the beginning of time.